Doing long soft gel extensions is pretty simple. You just pick the right size, you apply them on the nails, and that's it. But whenever I have to deal with short soft gel tips, this is always quite a stress for me, because when I hold it, I'm blocking half of this tip, so I cannot see it anymore, but I need to press real hard to make sure there are no bubbles, and when I do this, I cannot really see the tip, and then I notice that now it's tilting to one side. In this video, I will show you a simple trick on how to avoid this problem and how to apply even short tips easily. We're going to use new Gelike products. I have nude, medium almond tips and 6-in-1 nail glue gel. It's thick consistency and milky color. As usual, we're going to start with the nail prep. I'm going to file the free edge short for my client's nails and then proceed to dry manicure. I will be using diamond bit with red abrasive mark. It's flame shaped. The speed is 18,000 rotations per minute. First, I'm going to clean one side on all 10 nails, then I switch to reverse mode and do the same on the opposite side. We also need to remove the surface shine of the nail. You can use a hand file or a buffer. It should be at least 180 grit. I'm going to use buffer. Make sure that you take it off fully, especially along the sidewalls, because sometimes you may not notice these small shiny areas that are left over there. And then I'm going to finish doing prep and manicure by trimming off the dead tissue on the cuticles and eponychium with manicure scissors. Nail prep is very important, and it doesn't matter what kind of products you're about to use and what kind of extensions would you like to do. If you do it right, that means these nails are going to last. And if you do not do a good job, if you leave some shiny spots or do not clean the cuticles very well, then you may experience some product lifting. Cuticle area is super clean now, and we need to apply dehydrator on 10 nails. When you apply dehydrator, make sure that it covers the entire surface of the nail and let dry. If you touch the skin a little bit, it's totally fine, do not worry about this. And before we proceed, let's unpack this nail mail from Gelike. I have two different kinds of soft gel tips, nude almond and short clear almond. Also, I have a new version of 6-in-1 nail glue gel, which is milky color, and another one in nude color. Let's take a closer look at soft gel tips kits. They have 12 sizes, full cover tips, and they even included this tiny nail file, 8 and 100 grit. They're shiny and clear, but they have this matte surface underneath, so you will not need to spend an additional time to edge them. They're already prepped for you. And another kit is nude color, and I like this color so much. They're also matte underneath, so you do not need to worry about additional prep, and I also do not recommend you to separate them from this plastic once you find the right size, and I will tell you why in a few moments. And this is 6-in-1 nail glue gel. It has thick consistency, which makes it super convenient to apply it on the tips, and you can also use it as builder gel on top of the nails. I'm definitely trying this one today, and we also have a nude 6-in-1 nail glue gel. It is so nice that now they have different color options for this product. Let's proceed to nail extensions. First, we need to apply base coat, which is the same as 6-in-1 nail glue gel. You can use clear, milky, or nude, it's up to you. We need to apply it on the nail first and cure in LED for 30 seconds. I have a compact nail lamp by Gelike. I received it in my previous nail mail, and on the next nail I wanted to try milky 6-in-1 nail glue gel. Even though it's pretty thick, you still can use it as the base coat if you would like to do nude or milky nails, because nude tips, they're always a little transparent, so whenever you use milky color, this is how you're going to conceal the nail plate better. Before applying the tip, do not take it off from this plastic stick, just leave it right there. Apply some milky gel and then apply it on the nail. I always leave a little margin. Now we need to flash cure it for about 10 seconds, and then I'm going to remove it. I noticed this trick in one of tutorials on Gelike Instagram. I decided to try it, and for me it works perfectly, because whenever I separate the tip from this part, then I'm always blocking it with my fingers whenever I apply it to client's nails. but when I have this additional part, I can hold it a little further and it allows me to see what's going on, and this is how I will definitely know that it's not tilting to one or the other side. And then you simply separate it with scissors and slightly shape this part to have a beautiful almond shape. Now I'm going to buff the surface, which is not necessary. You can apply the top coat right away, but since we're adding some nail art, and I'm also going to file this area near the cuticle because I prefer using this technique, then it is better to take off the surface shine. Soft gel tips are so easy to file, so this part is not going to take me too long. I'm just using a carbide bit, cone-shaped with green abrasive mark, to file off this part along the sidewalls and near the cuticle. And then you have a few options. You can use nude gel on top. You can use this 6-in-1 nail glue gel, nude or milky color, depending on the color that you want. Or you can add some nail art, and this is the one that we decided to pick. We are going to use different colorful nail flakes near the cuticle, and then we are going to seal them with the top coat. Using soft gel tips with a color such as this one, nude, is such a great time saver. First of all, you apply them on the nails and you do not need to waste time applying additional color. Second, they look so natural, and also you will not have this additional thickness, because whenever you apply 1 or 2 coats of any color, they're going to look a little thicker. And then if you decide to add more nail art, then it's additional thickness. So it's really nice to have this nude background so you can start creating your nail art right away. And if you would like to keep this color, then I recommend you to use nude 6-in-1 glue gel. It's half transparent, so it's not going to be super visible once you add it near the cuticle. I'm done with filing and shaping the cuticle area, and the nails are almost ready. Now we need to apply some glitter flakes, and I'm going to use 6-in-1 gel again. Do not cure it, because we also need to secure some colorful flakes, and because the gel underneath is a little thick, it makes it so convenient to get the smooth surface. And to make it a little bit more fun, we decided to use different color on each nail. You do not need to fully cure every single nail. It's okay to flash cure it for 5 seconds and then proceed to the next nail. This is what I always do. I simply flash cure each nail and then we fully cure the entire hand for 1 minute. Even though we added some flakes near the cuticles, there is still a little deep in this area, and I'm going to fill it with a top coat because it's thick enough and I can simply seal them to have a high gloss shine, as well as to build this area. Cure in LED for 1 minute and the design is ready. Links to the products that I used will be in the description below. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this trick on working with short soft gel tips, and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.